Hey guys, Ryan with Arbsession, and I've got Ben Ori here with Wachtel Tree Science. We have a little issue. His SENA unit, the back clip, is busted. Luckily, we have a fix for that. We have the Arbsession SNAPbak. It's a quick, easy fix to solve a big problem because you don't want to have to replace that. You can't replace the back plate itself, and you have to replace the whole comm system if you want it to stay on your helmet. But now you don't. So we got SNAPbak. What we have to do here, though, is a very important step. We need to make sure that this piece is a clean break. So it usually breaks right in here, right down here. And if it's not totally flat and level, you have to make sure that you file that down, cut it with little scissors. You have to make sure that's nice and clean. If it's not, what you're going to end up doing is cracking the back plate here, and you're going to have to start over with a whole new back plate. So I'll show you how that works and goes together right here. He has a nice clean break, luckily, and so no issues there. But you put it on as you would normally do, and you put the SNAPbak right in there, and snap it in. Clicks, nice, smooth, easy click. Stays in, and you're good to go. It's making new. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Ben. Problem solved.
If I had like a